Welcome back, everybody. Got a great video for you today. Things are heating up this summer. The fentanyl junkies are going absolutely bonkers. And I've got to tighten up security. I've got a new camera system sent out by Eufy. The big benefit with this is they are not Wi-Fi cameras. They are wired connections. They spot the junkie with the top camera. The bottom camera picks up the motion, boom, locks on, and follows them. If you live in any sort of medium-sized metropolitan area, large size, 3-4 million people, they have spread out from city centers and have infiltrated most of the suburbs. They're literally camped out in front of Best Buy and your local grocery store. All right, guys, I'm just going through the setup here, and I just had all these cameras say setup was successful. I've already done the equipment. Now I'm on network. So I've strung a cord across the backyard into the workshop, and looks like we got internet, and I am doing a firmware update. Okay, I'm getting ready to plug in the second camera into PoE 2. There it goes. This video recording device is basically a computer. Turn off the 180-degree rotation, boom. There we go. Reorienting. Well, it's been a few days since I got this system up and running, and I'm going to take you through what I feel is valuable, why I like it. I want to give you the information that's valuable to me, and I think it's valuable to you. Start off with, this has some artificial intelligence built into it. This is their NVR right here. Think of this as a DVR. It's a 2 terabyte hard drive that records your surveillance video 24/7. And it is hardwired. When it's hardwired, there's a lot less chance to drop a signal and lose an important video clip. It should also increase the success of notifications. If you've used Wi-Fi systems in the past, you know that you don't always get that video clip. You don't always get that notification. I just downloaded 4 clips. This camera right here is what I believe makes the system. This is so cool. This camera will follow you everywhere. From out in the alley, if you were to hop a fence, jump into my backyard, run up to my back door, this thing is locked on. It easily sees license plates. So how this works here is this upper camera is your wide angle. This here catches everything. Once this catches movement, these 2 cameras here lock on. You can't outrun it. They follow you around. Somehow it knows how to zoom in and zoom out. It has both white lights and infrared lights. Having cameras like this reduces the amount of cameras that you need to get the coverage you want. This is like essentially a computer. How this works. This is my monitor. The monitor does not come with it. But you go to event. This is where something happened. I've had the police show up at my house. I've had the news show up at my house asking if I have video footage of my neighbor getting carjacked. I didn't because I didn't have this system. But next time it happens, I will have it all on video. And they can say it happened at this time, and I can go to the playback. You can search by keyword. Click the filter. Say I want a human, a vehicle, or a pet. Right now it's showing everything. So I'm just going to click on humans. Let's click black. Let's hit confirm. And there we go. It just picked up everybody that walked past my house with a black shirt. I'm just going to go full screen. I mean, the quality on this is amazing. Look at this guy. He's like, oh, geez, they're watching me. Who is this guy? Got this guy walking by. Wonder if that's using the nighttime camera. Usually it switches cameras, but you can see how it follows me. There we go. Just switched another camera and cleaned up the resolution. Right there is where I've been having junkies get onto my property. They go around into my neighbor's backyard and hop the fence. So you might be thinking, well, that's all fine and dandy, handy, but I don't have a spare computer monitor to use. Well, to get everything set up, you can just plug this into a television and use the HDMI input. It plugs right into the back, and use your TV as a monitor. Then you can take the monitor away. You can unplug it from your TV, reset it up somewhere else, and just go through your phone app to check the clips. So I'm just looking at the box that this came in, and these cameras are called the S4 Max. PoE Bullet-PTZ cameras. It's a long name. There's another thing that these do is they work together for live cross camera tracking. Someone's walking up this alley and this camera follows them. Then they get into this frame here. The movable camera, as soon as it detects it, will lock onto them and follow them around. You can have these mounted at each corner of your house and have almost full coverage. I'll put some screenshots of me going through the phone app. Everything that I did with this mouse here, you can do pretty much from the app. You can click on events, see them all lined out for you. You click it with on your finger, your phone. You can watch them through your phone. If you have the Eufy app and you're familiar with it, everything works the same as it always has. When an event is recorded, you instantly and quickly get a notification to your phone and you can view it. When your notification comes, you can have it send a thumbnail with it. That's how I have mine set up. So I can click the drop down in my notification bar and there's a thumbnail. There's a junkie trying to get over my fence. I know it's go time, or I got to call 911. I'll put links down in the description of where you can get this. This is the NVR security system from Eufy. The main camera are the S4 Maxes, and you've got these other two here that can also work hardwired and record 24/7 with your NVR. If you got questions or comments about security systems, surveillance, what you experience, put them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.